If I ask you, how many books should you be reading? It should be as much as you can. How much should you be earning? It should be as much as you can. Not as much as it would be enough to pay your bills. No, as much as you can. That is how much you should be working. That is how much should you be earning. That is how much you should be partying. That is how much you should be playing. Yes, you should be doing as much as you can, or I would say as best as you can. Hey friends, how much should you work? How much should you play? How much should you party? How much should you earn? How much should you read? Enough? No, enough is never enough. You should be doing all that you can. You should be doing the best that you can. If I ask you, how many books should you be reading? It should be as much as you can. How much should you be earning? It should be as much as you can. Not as much as it would be enough to pay your bills. No, as much as you can. That is how much you should be working. That is how much should you be earning. That is how much you should be partying. That is how much you should be playing. Yes, you should be doing as much as you can, or I would say as best as you can. Because anything less than what you best could, anything less than the best of what you can, is a bad thing to happen. Do you know what messes up with your life the most? It is doing less than what you could. It is becoming less than what you could have become. This messes up with your life the most. This messes up with your mind the most. Ever thought, why are you so disturbed, so worried, trying to prove to the world that you have something, you are somebody? That is because from within, you know that you can be much better than what you are today, or than what you have become today. You have the potential, you have the ability to become much better than what you have become today, but you have not given all that you could have given. You have not given your best, and that is why you have not become your best. And you know this from within. No matter how many excuses you tell to your bosses, no matter how many excuses you give to yourself that you did the best you could have done. Okay, tell me, how many push-ups can you do? 5. That is what you can. Maybe if you have not done push-ups in quite some time, 5 push-ups would be the maximum number that you could. But take some rest. Do it again. You could do another 5. So from 5 to 10. Take some more rest. Do another 5. You could have done 5 more. So 15. So at some point you were only able to do 5 push-ups. Now you have done 15. So most of the times we do not even know what best we could. We limit our beliefs. We do not even give it a try because we think that we cannot reach there. But without even trying, without even knowing what the potential we have, what the possibilities we have, how could we excuse or make an excuse that we could not do that? That is not how things work. So, becoming less than what you could have become, doing less than what you could have done, damages your mind. It damages your self-image. It damages your self-confidence. You cannot stand in front of the mirror because you know that you could have worked harder. You could have worked out. You could have exercised. You could have had a better body. You could have eaten healthy, but you did not. You did not. You know that you did not. And that is why when you stand in front of the mirror, you cannot say this to yourself that somebody else is the reason for that. No, it is you who is the reason for that. And that is why you are missing on the self-confidence that is needed in today's time to go out and win the world. That is the most important thing, and that is the most important thing that we are missing in our lives. We are not doing the best as much as we can. We are not giving our best. We are not going all in with whatever we want to achieve in our life. We are just doing enough. We are just working for 8 hours a day. How much are you working? 8 hours a day. But is that how much you could have actually worked? You could have worked for 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours. But you are working only for 8 hours, and you say that you are working enough to pay your bills, enough to pay your rent, enough to pay your EMIs. No, you should be working a lot more. You should be working as much as you can, not just enough. Not just enough. The objective of life, it is to act. The objective of life is to act. It is not to take rest. It is not to eat. It is to stay healthy. Make taking rest a necessity, not the objective of your life. Eat only when it's a necessity. Take rest only when it is a necessity, not an objective of your life. You do not have an objective to eat the most tastiest food. You could not be having the objective of taking rest the entire day. It has to be done only when it is absolutely necessary for your survival. You have to eat for your survival. You have to eat to keep yourself healthy, not as an objective of having a breakfast, a mid-lunch, a lunch, a brunch and dinner and blah 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 blah. You don't have to do that. You have to eat only when it is necessary. You have to rest only when it is necessary. You have to do nothing only when it is necessary to do nothing. Because in a garden, the weeds grow faster than the grasses. The moment you leave the garden for a while, the weeds would quickly come up. You cannot leave yourself. You cannot leave yourself idle, doing nothing, eating unhealthy, because the weeds will be very quick to come up. You cannot give them the opportunity. You cannot give them the chance to come up, and you becoming less than what you could have become. So come on, give yourself the best shot that you could have given. Work hard as much as you can. Do as much as you can. Do your best. And your best has to be your best. When you go to bed, when you go to sleep, you can say to yourself that yes, I did my best today. You get a smile on your face because you did your best. You knew that you did your best. You know when you did not do your best. You know when you do your best. You know when you did not work hard enough. You know when you did not eat healthy or when you did eat healthy. You know, your mind knows, your brain knows, your heart knows. You know, you cannot lie to yourself. If when you stand in front of the mirror, you know that you are lying to yourself. You know that you did not do your best. You know that you did not eat healthy. You know that you did not work out enough. But when you do that, you know that you have done it. And you feel on the top of the world. That feeling of giving all that you could have given, doing the best that you could have done, wins over anything else in life. That satisfaction, that is what we miss. And we try to fill up that gap of missing satisfaction by all those material things that we buy to prove ourselves to ourselves and everybody else, by taking loans and taking EMIs, buying that expensive phone, buying that expensive car, buying that expensive house, going on that luxury travel. We do all of these even though we cannot afford maybe to buy that expensive phone or that expensive car, but we still buy because we have to fill that gap of not giving our best. We have to fill that gap for ourselves and for others as well, because we have something to prove. We want to prove something to the world. Come on, you don't have to prove anything to the world. You have to prove something to yourself, so that when you stand in front of the mirror, when you sit and write your journal, you can write that I lived this day to the best of my ability and capability. That is when you say to yourself that yes, I will have no grudges, I will have no regrets as to how I lived my life, because I did the best that I could today. I partied the hardest, I worked the hardest. I do not live my life like a balancing thing, and I do not complain that I do not have a work and life balance. I do whatever I have to do in the best possible way, be it about my family, be it about my work, be it about my body, be it about employees, my team, my society, my country. I do my best with every single aspect of my life. This satisfaction that you would be getting would be out of the world. Try this out and make this a discipline. Yes, make this a discipline, make this a part of your life, doing your best, giving your best with whatever you do. Make this a discipline, and when you make this a discipline, when you make this a habit, when this becomes a part of your life, doing your best, giving your best, if this becomes a part of your life, you have arrived. You have arrived there. That is the day when you arrive. That is the day when you arrive. So mark your arrival. Announce your arrival. Let people shout when you arrive. That would be the day when you arrive. Wish you all the very best. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to come back to me. This was Savan Kumar speaking to you all about your life, how to make it better, how to live better, and do awesome things in your life. Have a good day. Bye-bye.